Hey guys, Myron Woolley here. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to check the accuracy of any square. In this case I'm going to use two combination squares just for purposes of comparison. The process really is quite simple. First you take a piece of paper, tape it to your workbench. You don't want to, otherwise you're going to do it directly on your work surface and you don't want to do that. Now we're going to take the square that's under investigation, we're going to check it, and we're going to put it on the workbench. We're going to put it tightly up against it, like so, and then we're going to draw a line along the blade. Now, take the square, flip it over, and put the bottom of the blade at the starting point of the line that you just drew. Again, draw a line. Take the square away and check and see look for any divergence or convergence or line thickness variation along the line. If it's even and the lines don't separate or come together, then your square is good. So that was with the big Starrett square. Now let's try it with a small Empire square. Same procedure. Put it up against the edge of the workbench. Draw a line. Flip it over. Okay, so I've got some variation in that line. I'm not happy with the way that went. Let me put this down just for a second. Sorry about that. Now we'll rotate it. The reason you see how this line here wasn't straight? This is my fault because I wasn't holding it securely. So we'll repeat the process over here. Put it up against the base like that. And you can already see that it's out a little bit. Go ahead and make the second mark. Now, it starts together, but it separates at the end. That's telling me that this square is not square. In fact, I've already marked it because I knew what the outcome was going to be, not square. I don't use this for precision measurement or precision squaring up of anything. It is useful as a depth gauge or in some other non-precision applications, but I would not trust this particular square if I was to square up a frame or measure something that absolutely had to be dead on. So anyways, that's how you do it, and those are the results. Thanks.